kiss do-it-yourself nails, and you can't not tell me nothing. Let's get to these nails. These are so cute. I mix and match from different sets to get the look I want. But yeah, it's so pretty. I love these little map. And then the tools that I use. Back to the nails. Real cute. Little bling, little matte, little sparkle. Now we're going to get rid of this crust. And then the finished product. Not the best lighting, but you get it. Real cute, real pretty. And then the outfit, I was going to a family gathering, so I left it simple. A few accessories, sweatshirt, clutch, ripped jeans, Scully, classic Puma.
How do you start over in a shot?
So much more on the way. Get ready with me. Of course, a few tutorials. And we already know these nails are coming with. Cook with me. I love food. And of course, a dine with me here and there. I love a good meal. Little kiki with y'all, of course. Drive with me. Shop with me. Little fashion talk. I love just being different, doing your own thing. That's what we're doing over here. Few tips for you ladies. So pay attention and then thank me later. Maybe a day night. Last but definitely not least.
Here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go. Don't never stop. This the flow that got the block hot and super hot.
Pause. Like, to not have any experience, just starting out, I'm super proud of myself. And I really just want to tell you all, thank you for coming and hanging with me. Thank you for your time. And I'm anticipating a lot of takeaways in the future for you. So stay tuned.